وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
Mentioned that this world is a very, very selfish place. It teaches us to be the opposite of what Allah wants from us. It teaches us to worry just about yourself. When the Prophet, peace be upon him, himself says, you want to prepare a stew or a soup, you prepare a little bit more, you add a little bit more water and give the neighbors. That hadith does not speak about whether the neighbors are needy or not. The fact that they are your neighbors, they're probably on similar lines as you. But if they know you're preparing some beautiful thing to eat and you give them, the idea is to build a bond and a relationship. Tomorrow, if they need something, they know. Yes, they will ask Allah, but Allah will use you to give them. And if Allah's used you to give someone something, thank Allah for it. Because that's a favor of Allah.